how neurodivergent people in the workplace suffer. We've talked about toxic bosses. We've talked about the importance of your boss liking you in order for your career to go in a positive direction, regardless of whether or not they're an actually likable person. This is a fantastic topic. Masking is super difficult. Trying to kiss your boss's butt just to get by until you find a healthier job place, a non-toxic workplace, can be really hard for people who are neurodivergent. It's almost impossible, if not impossible. It's something really important to talk about because it's already difficult for a lot of them to deal with the social interactions of being in a public workspace, especially like right now, remote jobs, there are just very few opportunities out there. So people who are neurodivergent are being forced back into the workspace, and it's already awkward for them. But then when you end up with a really toxic boss and you have to pretend to like them and really, laugh at their jokes, even if you don't think they're funny, pretending to get along with them, pretending to think they're hilarious, pretending to think they're the best and the smartest, it is not easy for neurodivergent people. And again, I really hope once Gen Z and Gen Alpha really turn over the workplaces, that things like this become a lot easier and more recognized, so that there are mental health days as a regular option to take time off work to reduce the risk of burnout, especially for people who are neurodivergent, because that is a high risk for them. But also helping to get rid of toxic workplaces where you have to do things like mask constantly and suck up to your boss.